Good morning, I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast, SOS.com, as if 1 in 500 year rain events since May of 2015 weren't devastating enough for the Houston area and its 4.5 million peeps. At least 10 refineries along the Texas coast have shut down. That means they've belched large plumes of toxic sulfur dioxide into the air, which is known to trigger asthma, amongst other things. While peeps are fleeing for their lives, clinging on to their few possessions, refineries are choking them. It's time to end all fossil fuel subsidies immediately. Reduce fossil fuel emissions by 15%. Go green. Stop poisoning Mother Nature and all life on our glorious planet. All our prayers and love to the victims of Hurricane Harvey. Please text the word Harvey to 90999 to make a $10 donation, or call 1-800-RED CROSS. Hashtag love is the solution. Earthcast SOS depends upon you, the listeners. So don't be bashful. Come on to drreese.com, DRREESE.com, and click on that donate button. And while you're there, pick yourself up any number of terrific books on bees, trees, seas, wild weather, and life, the wonder of it all. Just do it. drreese.com. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.